welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Denetrice Latrice, and you already seen that thumbnail, so you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely luvme hair. They sent your girl over this gorgeous water wave beauty, and honey, she is ready to go right out of the box. So if you are interested in seeing how super duper easy it was to put this unit on, stay tuned. I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another video. So y'all already know what's about to come at you. I am super excited. I think I say that at every video that I do, but I'm excited because luvme be outdoing themselves over and over again. Like when you thought they have reached the max, they come and destroy it. They do another level higher. So they are doing an amazing job over at luvme hair. I cannot express just how happy I am for them because they are doing their thing over there. All right, so let's get into this gorgeousness right here, y'all. Look at the curls on this unit, and y'all see it, the breathable cap. Y'all see it, this breathable cap, so you'll be able to get to your scalp. It's about to get hot. I know it's cold right now, but honey, it ain't gonna last forever. It's gonna get hot, and we want something that is breathable that we can get to with ease, so we can have some breathability on our scalp. All right, but y'all, just get into it. Y'all see this, the pre-bleach knots, all right, and it's pre-plucked. All right, but we're gonna get more into the details later on. Let's go ahead and put this baby on so we can see how it looks. And before I go any further, before I forget, y'all see this silicone band right here, honey, so you ain't gonna have to worry about this unit going anywhere. We're gonna test that theory in just a moment. All right, y'all, look at this. Oh, she cute. She cute. Okay. Wow. Oh, do y'all see that parting? Look at her. I told y'all luvme they be doing it. They be doing it. All right, let's get this together. I'm liking how it looks in the front. Like, honey, this is how it looks right out of the box. Right out of the box. This is how she looks. Now we gonna get this together right here, because I don't like what's this right here. I don't know what's this about, but we're gonna get it together. You know, it's been traveling in a box. Okay, so we're gonna get it all together. It's all right. It's all right. With luvme hair units, they are super easy to style. You ain't got to worry about getting it together because it's super easy to get the desired look. So easy to style. But let's get into it. I keep looking at this parting because this parting is amazing, and you see how far back it goes. Like, honey, look at that. Y'all see how far back? Honey, this is crazy. Okay. So let's clip the hair back, and we're gonna get into this lace. Cut the lace off, and the hair feels so soft, y'all. It feels so soft. So soft. All right, so we're going to secure it with the clips. And honey, this baby, this ain't gonna go nowhere. Y'all see that? And I ain't even cut the lace yet. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so this is her, y'all, right out of the box. Wow, absolutely amazing. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get my setting lotion, and we're just gonna put it around the lace area. We're just gonna put a little bit. We don't need a lot, just so we can melt this lace down.
Emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time.
Next, we're going to get to my strap, but first I'm going to tie it back. So maybe get the strap underneath the hair with ease, and we're just going to put this on.
To choose perfect peace, and now for it.
Bam. All right, so now let's get into these curls. Get into these curls. These curls look good. They look good. So what we're going to do, we're going to wet it with my continuous spray bottle that I got from Amazon. We're going to wet it so we can see how it looks wet.
Tight in the current, start to shift. I am adaptable. I am adaptable.
So I'm not trying to get no water on the top really, because I like how it came already pushed back. I like that push back look, but I don't want to disturb that, so I'm just focusing more on the back and the ends of it to make the curls pop some more. And I'm not putting too much water on this. This unit does fit lightweight as well. Feels really lightweight, but you see, you don't. It's thick too. It's lightweight and thick. It's very, very lightweight though. So I put a little bit of water. It's not even really damp. It's like got that little mist to it. I just did that so we could get the curls together, because whatever was going on over here wasn't cute. So we just did that to get that together, and this is how she looks. Okay, this is just with a little water. Okay, I didn't do no dampness to it, and she looks really, really cute, y'all. Look at that. She looks cute. Just look at that. Look at that. Very, very cute. I am really, really loving how this unit is coming out. Really, really loving it. Look at that. Just look at that. Okay, so what we're gonna do next, we're gonna put some setting lotion on so we can set these curls. I'm focusing on the ends because we don't want no frizzy ends.
Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head, from the past to few.
All right, y'all. So here she is with the setting lotion on. Baby, she looks so cute. So we're gonna take the band off so we can see how this hairline looking.
Never mind, it's just life. It's so.
Wow, y'all see this? Do y'all see that? That melted so good into my skin. That melted so good. Oh, honey, that melted so good. Y'all cannot tell me y'all see no lace, honey. And these curls, wow, these curls look amazing. I am so loving this. Absolutely loving this. I love the pushback. Like I didn't have to do the pushback on this, y'all. With the hot comb, I had to do that with this unit. It came already like this. Honey. Yeah. Wow. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So what we're gonna do next is, since this hair is a little mystified, it's not damp, it's like a little misty. This looks a little dry right here. Let's put some water right there. Put some water right there. Okay, yeah, they look good. They look good right there. What we're gonna do next is we are going to diffuse the curls so we can see how she looks with it dry and all put together. So let's go ahead and diffuse the curls. This is she, y'all. This is she. Isn't she gorgeous? Wow, she is so pretty. I am absolutely loving her. She looks so cute. Like those curls and that parting and this hairline. Baby, get into it. Get into it. She is amazing. She is so easy to put on, y'all. So it didn't take me no time to put this unit on, and she is a great option for beginners, for a easy everyday type of unit. This is great. I mean, come on now, get into it. Get into it. It has the pre-bleached knots, the pre-plucked hairline. Baby, what else do you want out of a unit? Like, this looks like it's coming right out of my scalp. Look at that. Just get into it. Look at that. This looks like scalp. 100% scalp right here. Okay, y'all can't tell me this ain't my hair. You just can't. You can't do it. You can't do it. Well, let me show you the back.
From the past to future play, more change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect
girl, this is amazing. I am truly happy with this unit. She is so easy to put on and she's fabulous, absolutely fabulous. So before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a Love Me Hair baby hair comb brush combo. They also sent over a Love Me Hair scarf wrap and a Love Me Hair bonnet with wig caps, a Love Me Hair drawstring bag to help store your unit in. This is the Pardon Max Glueless Waterway 7x6 Closure HD Lace Wig that is 100% ready to go. I am wearing this in the length 18 inches, but you do have the option to get it in 12 and 14 inches. If you would like to get this in a longer length, such as the 18 that I'm wearing now, you would have to do a pre-order. The lengths available are 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24 inches. You also have the option to get the lace pre-cut at an additional cost. So let me tell you some more about this unit. This is 100% human hair. The density on this unit is 150%. The color I am wearing is a natural black. The parting space on this unit is a 7x6 closure, and you do have the option to get this in 13x6 frontal as well. You are also able to park this in numerous ways, such as the seat curve as you see here. You also can do the middle and do a left or right side part as well. The lace is HD lace, like honey, get into it. Y'all know y'all see that lace. The hairline is pre-bleached and the hairline is pre-plucked as well. The cap is a breathable 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. This unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it, and you do have the option to dye this. So if you want to put some highlights up and through here, you do have the option to do that. And yes, honey, this is 100% glueless. This unit would meet all of your needs with the ample parting space, the comfortable wear. It fits so comfortable, and y'all, it ain't going nowhere. It's extremely easy to install. I don't have, as y'all saw, it did not take me no time to put this on. It came out the box ready. I only had to spritz it down a little bit, but other than that, it was ready to go. Cut the lace, spritz it down a little bit, and you are good to go. With the upgraded cap of the natural hairline, the silicone grip, the glueless security, and the comfortable breathable cap, this is a no-brainer unit to get to become part of your wig rotation. This unit also comes with 3 combs, one on each side and one on the back. It also comes with a detachable adjustable band to help give you that glueless effect. This unit has everything with the wider and deeper parting space and the pre-everything. You cannot go wrong with this unit right here. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and scoop this beauty up today. It's affordable, it's no shedding, it's no tangling, it's perfect for the everyday busy woman. So go ahead and scoop it up today, because switching it up is everything with a Love Me Hair unit. And there you have it. I would like to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video, and if you are interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you, you know I do. There's a coupon code down as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you are interested in seeing what else Love Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video, and I'll see you over there.